Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2019 Ram 2500, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you do have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. This truck is fully deleted, and since it is a limited, you do have a 360 camera on it, so you have your front camera right there. This little mesh piece to keep the bugs off, tow hooks, full LED headlights, and of course you have some fog lights. So another cool thing in the 5th gens is there's 3 headlight options, so you're going to be able to get halogens, LEDs, or full LEDs, and full LEDs come in the Longhorns or the Limiteds, just like this one here. So they do actually turn when you turn, which is going to be really handy for driving. Fog lights as well, color match bumpers on this one, OEM flares, 20-inch rims, all that good stuff, and it is also leveled. You do have tow mirrors that will fold out with the blind spot monitoring, keyless entry on either side, power boards as well, and then we'll come all the way back here. Of course, you can tell it is a mega cab with a 6.4 box. So this truck does have a 4-stage delete and a 4-inch exhaust on it as well. And this truck also has 5th wheel prep. You do have both of the cameras you'll need, and of course it does come with the hitch itself. You do have all the wiring you'll need, and then of course you have the same stuff right there if you're hooking up a bumper pull, and then as well a Truxedo tonneau cover and a bed step. Inside the truck it is fully loaded. You do have heated and cooled leather seats in this truck, which are really nice. Lots of storage all throughout the truck. And then of course you can shift this back for even more storage right down there. You do have a whole bunch of plugins all over the truck, wireless charger, and since this truck's a 19, it still has a CD player. You also have all your extra auxiliary switches. You can hook up light bars, slip tanks, all that good stuff. 12-inch screen with the Harman Kardon sound system as well. And of course it's going to have navigation on there. And like we talked about earlier, this truck does have every single camera I think you could get on a truck. And of course a bird's eye view as well. So some cool features to touch on the 12-inch screen itself is these trucks now come with Sirius Guardian and Sirius XM Travel Link. So if you just click onto that, an example of what it can do is it can show you fuel prices every town you go to, and then you can actually select the type of fuel you want as well, which would be really handy. And then another cool thing about this truck, it does have a backup alarm. You can have it on, you can turn it off, but I know some people really like it for their line of work. So you can just access that right on your cluster here, and it'll just take you through the prompts. Dual climate control, sunroof, everything you could want in a truck will be in this truck. So just to kind of touch on little details on the Limiteds and what's new in the 5th gen, a Limited is going to have the nice stitching right along the doors and kind of all throughout the truck as well. You also have this cool little feature that they added in the 5th gen. So you just select whichever mirror you want, and then you click this button up here, and you can actually adjust the small mirror on the tow mirror itself there. And as well, they are power folding mirrors, so that does come in really handy. And then you do have your seat settings right here, automatic windows in the front, and then your power ones in the back. So since it is a mega cab, you can recline the back seats, which is super nice for your passengers. They will also have heated seats and every single plug-in a person could probably ever need. You do have vents right in the back as well, and then you have these really nice floor mats you can see on that side there. You can take the carpet pieces out if it is muddy like this time of year, so it'll be a full rubber mat. So as you can see, you can fold down the seats in the mega cab. I'm pretty sure you could fit a mattress in here, so you could camp out in here. And then you also have this little slot up here. You can put a tablet in there, so if you want to watch some movies while you're sleeping in your truck, you can do that. But if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629.